I currently have a freaking lizard in my room. I just got my first Balinese massage. It was interesting. Okay, so it's currently, there's a chicken rooster thing. It's the 30th today. I have 2 full days basically in Ubud. I want to make the most of it, so I booked a massage for today. So I'm gonna get breakfast and then I'm gonna get a massage. I think it's an hour and a half, and I'm just gonna relax. And then tomorrow is where the fun begins.
Fun begins.
I'm gonna go do a little tour with my host and hopefully get lots of cute pictures and have some fun. And then my host will drive me back to the airport that tomorrow night, because my flight is Tuesday at 12:50, and I'll meet back up with my friends. Well, I just got my first Balinese massage. It was interesting. Felt great. I feel good. She was all up in my butt though. She was in my butt and in between my thighs, and I was like, bro, you're literally touching my cooch. And it's what it is, what it is. And she got the oil in my hair because she gave me a scalp massage and face massage, but she touched my butt and then touched my face, bro. But yeah, no, I feel better. My body feels more relaxed. I'm totally ready for a nap, but I'm gonna try to stay awake till at least like 8, because I have my tours tomorrow at 8:30. So yeah, trying to make the most of it. Good morning. Today is my last day in Bali, and I have all my excursions planned today, so we're gonna go do that. I currently have a freaking lizard in my room. Oh my god, ew. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's like right here in between the painting. Like, I don't know if you can see it like angled, but there's a goddamn lizard. There's a lizard in my room, and I like made eye contact with it. I looked at it and I screamed, and it hid behind the paintings. That's great. Okay, so I just did my makeup, and now we're gonna try to see what to do with the hair. I don't know if I should just leave it, or I was thinking about putting this thing on. Ugh, and this sunscreen is mineral sunscreen, and it's like peeling and like balling up, and it's driving me nuts. I just went to check if the lizard's there, and it's gone. I don't know where it went. My heart just dropped out of my butthole, and I'm scared. I don't know where it went. I have no idea. Anyways, I gotta go, so.
I didn't know if this trip would heal me or break me, but for a moment, on this swing in Ubud, everything felt lighter.
Nice one. Very good. Look away. Look here.
Your eye. Let me feel your face.
Oh, good.
Look at me.
Yeah, did you? Yes.
Step down there, you can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have that's good camera. If you do the seatplane and skydive, you can pause your camera to make the video, you know? So good.
It's very pretty.
Yeah. Not only you can see on postcard, you are here now.
Ah, yeah. It's crazy. It doesn't look real.
Yeah.
Crazy.
super warm.
You see how the bike
Yeah.
return this way, this part?
Has anyone ever fallen?
Nah,
Nah.
it's hefty.
I'd be the only one. Yeah, it was one of those lizards right there. One of those lizard things that was in my room.
That's round and you don't have to worry about that.
The sun feels good.
Okay, I will find you some best spot to take a photo.
Okay.
Over there. When we plant the rice, we have to keep it. The rice plantation is full of the water all the time.
Okay. If you step in it, would you get stuck?
Sorry?
If you step in it, would you get stuck in it?
The seed, like this one, you know, it's not like a potato when we grow the rice. So they like a seed. We put full of the water. They growing. Growing, coming the flowers get, to be a rice like this.
Oh, okay.
It's not under the ground like the potato.
Okay, I see. I totally thought it was.
Keep walking. Look at me, say hi.
I'm getting in the waterfall. Ah, it's cold. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Ah, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's kind of cold. Ah. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's kind of soft over here. There's dirty Band-Aid on the ground. Oh. Oh my. Yeah, it's so windy. Oh my. I'm in an elephant place. I don't know where to go. Koi. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, there's an elephant. You can wash them. There's one over there. That one's a baby?
6 years.
How much?
6 years.
6?
Big
Big baby?
now baby.
Aw, very cute. Look at this.
Ini kan ini aja.
Jun, pergi.